Afternoon, just past 12, and as you can see in the background, dark clouds are coming our way. Yes, rain is coming today to Benidorm once again. Around 2 or 3 p.m. There's expected to be a little rain, thankfully not that much, but we're apparently getting, a wet day again. So in today's video we're going to check out the Levante beach, as it's just 21 degrees out here. It should mean that some people are at least there, but with the rain coming up you never know over here. We're going to check out a piece of Mediterranean and then head out towards the strip and see our people maybe are hiding over there, having a drink at one of the bars. But first we gotta get down and we're gonna check out the construction of the Port Benidorm hotel, as that one is going very fast lately. So today 21 with some rain in the afternoon, tomorrow also 21 but then with clear skies finally, and the day after will be 24 degrees on Thursday over here, also with clear skies, so it should be a beautiful day out here for going to the beach then. And the trend of 21 and 24 degrees will continue the rest of the week. So it'll be a good week over here in Benidorm. And as the Easter crowds have ended, we can see the Spanish have gone already, back to work already. Back to Madrid, Valencia, where they came from. But the Brits are still here, enjoying the sun. That is out here for today. And in the afternoon probably head towards a bar, shelter for the rain. But first, let's get a better view of that tower behind back there, the Port Benidorm Hotel, to see how the construction is going. And there we are, Port Benidorm Hotel. Yes, you can clearly see this starting to rise up along the other building now. And we can also see they closed off the whole side of the tower, so construction work for the neighbors won't make that much noise anymore when they start inside. But for now, let's continue past the Levante beach and see how many people are up there. And over here a busload of new tourists arrives. And they're up for a good week here in Benidorm. Some beautiful weather, except for today then. But still the rest will be alright. And compared to yesterday, the boulevard still looks busy, but the beach itself have some people on it, but definitely not that many. It's quite empty compared to the other days of the holiday. Over here we can see barely anyone is renting a sun lounger for the last few hours. It is still dry. Dark clouds are getting in. Here we got some groups playing sports, and we can see the green flag out again. After more than a week of the yellow one, and sometimes even the red one with the wind, finally the green one is back. Quick look at some of the bars over here. And they do pull in some crowds, so let's go and have a look at the Tiki Beach over there in the back. And while you wouldn't say so, but as soon as the rain hits over here, it's empty on the boulevard and as well on the beach, because everyone flocks inside towards the bar, towards the room, apartment, anything. And it's deserted out here then. Unfortunately, I won't be there as well, as I need to work in the afternoon. So no walking in the rain in a ghost town for me today. Still very busy out here. Let's go take a quick look of the Mediterranean before we head towards the strip. And there we got Avenida Filipinas. But first let's head towards the Bulldog, towards the left. Not that busy over here, Silver City, but it usually is never that busy during daytime. And we're almost there at the Bulldog. Very busy out here. Lots of people compared to the rest of the bars on the Mediterranean. As we did Old Town yesterday, and if you didn't see it yet, check out that video. Today we're heading towards the Strip and see that area. And as we could have seen with the Rockstar, it's quite busy out here. Same goes for jumping jacks. And the Flamingo party's always starting a bit later on. Rovers is next door. And the opposite, the Orc Shop ride, full inside. Planet Benidorm as well. And Andy's currently under sun, doing good business over here. For now, as you can see, the dark clouds are getting much closer now. And we can hear at Marina, there's a party going on. And it's quite quiet, but still, some people soaking up the last few rays they can get for this day. Got the railway. As this place can be completely covered, it will be busy out there later on. The ideal place to get some drinks when it rains. Very dark getting there in the back. Queens and Arms, no one yet, but they are open, ready to get guests when it starts to rain out here. But for now it looks gorgeous out here with the sky. Got the Rockies over here, and the opposite, the new open bridge station. Some folks in there, but will be busier on as well later on when it starts to rain here. One of those places with good coverage, normal prices for drinks, and excellent music and vibe. Let's go across the roads. Got the Red Lion. And I gotta say, the last few days there's a police van constantly waiting outside over here at night. And as you've checked out the news lately over here, yeah, the Red Lion isn't the best place anymore to go to at night. Thankfully there are much more alternatives over here that are much better. We got 3 of them over here on a row. The Crown, California and the Western Saloon. Where it is quite empty currently, but next door at California, lots of people soaking up the rays, final bits of sun, and having a good time. One of the best looking bars out here in Benidorm, the Western Saloon. Great vibe, great music, and the atmosphere is amazing over here. Got a Wild Duck. John and Joseph's quite busy in there right now. And if you don't want to go for a drink when it rains and do something different for once, over here we got the Ambassador Hotel, and they do have a full-on spa over here, which you can also go to if you don't stay here. It's about 18 euros a person for 2 hours, I believe, and it's very nice out there. So definitely recommend going there if you're bored and want to do something different than going for a drink once again. And while the clouds are getting closer, this is as far as we go today. The Uncle Pat's And the other bars over there we're going to check out tomorrow, as tomorrow will be the Wednesday market over here and it will be very, very busy out there. So we're going to check that area out tomorrow when it's nice and sunny out again. And for now we're going to end our video here at the Flash. Hope you all liked this video about Benidorm. There's another day of rain coming up. Please don't forget to do like and do subscribe. Definitely go for the like, as it greatly helps promoting my videos. And do subscribe if you want to see more from us over here in Benidorm. Thank you all for watching and hope to see you later.